In this video, I will show you how to run your Flutter app for the first time without Android Studio. So for this, I will open Chrome browser. Then I will search for VS Code. First, first of all, we have to download VS Code. If you are using Windows, then you have to download Windows. Then you have to download Git. Okay. Then you have to click here. Then Git will be download. As I've already downloaded it, so I'm not safe for it. Then you have to download Flutter for Windows. You have to click here manually, install manually. Then you will see, so then you have to click here. As same as it, I already downloaded this also. So you have to download. So then you have to download install Oracle Java 17. We will not download latest version. We have to download 17, as 17 is most compatible version for Android. So we have to install for Windows installer. As we have to download it again, I will ignore the download process. So finally, we have to download Android SDK download. Okay, we have to click the first link. Then we have to go below. Below you have to get Windows, Mac, Linux. So you have to download for Windows. Then you have to click the tick mark. You have to save the tick mark. Then download. So last one I will also ignore it, as I already downloaded all files. So first of all, you have to install VS Code. So as I am guiding you, so you have to follow my process. Okay, install it. I will finish the process. Then after got install your VS Code, then you have to install a extension named Flutter extension. So I already installed this on, so you will see the install button. Then you have to click here. As I already installed it, then I will ignore it. Okay, close the Flutter. Then you have to install Git. Then you have to click double click. Then yes. Then you will follow my guide. Then you have to click. You may click here. Okay, I will not set it. Okay, next you have to choose VS Code Git default editor. Okay, then next all will be next. After complete the installation of Git, then we will move the Flutter file. I will cut it. We will keep it C drive. Okay. After moving the C drive, then we will extract the file. Extract all here. It will take time. This process takes long time for extract the file. So file extraction is almost complete. After complete this step, then we will cut the Flutter to paste. Sorry. Then we will delete this on this one. So then you will see Flutter. Then you will see bin. You have to copy or cut this one. Then you have to search environment variable. If you search environment variable, then you will see here. Then click environment. Then you have to click path double time. Then click new. Then paste it. Then okay. After set your path, then you have to search CMD. Let's check Flutter version is available or not. Flutter version. After a long time, it's completed. Now we'll again check the Flutter version. Then let's see. Oh, okay, it's already it's okay. Flutter 3.417. Okay, now we'll close. Now the next step is we will install Java. So in download folder, we'll click Java. So double click. It's taking time. Java is installing. Now we'll click next. Next. Now close. You will get Java installed it program files. Then you will click. You have to click Java, and then the JDK 17. Then bin. Definitely you have to copy this path. Then cut and go to environment variable. You will search environment variable. Then you will click here and it will appear a window and environment setting. Then you have to click again double time for path. Then new and paste it here. Then okay. Now you have to set a system variable. So you have to click new, and then you have to give the variable name is Java home. It all will be capital letter. Then variable path, you have to click bin. You have to clear bin. You have to delete bin. Then okay. Then okay. Okay. After this process, we will check Java version. Okay. So you have to click. You have to open C and command prompt. So we say Java version. Is it installed or not? Okay, Java version is Java 17 is installed. So now we will close JDK folder, JDK file. I will cut it here. Take it to C drive. Then I will paste it here. Okay, continue. Okay, I will extract it here. Okay. I will keep these files into latest folder. Okay. Uh, then I will go to the previous one. Then I will cut this folder. Then click C drive. Then I will create a folder named Android, Android. Then I will open it and paste this one. Then you will get a bin folder. Then you have to copy this path and you have to open environment variable again. So you have to click the path on for the double time, the new path. Then you have to paste it here. Okay, okay, okay. Again you have to set another path that is okay. You have to go Android folder. Then you have to create a folder name platform hi platform tools. Okay. And then you have to set this path to environment variable. Open the environment variable. Then again click to path. Then new. Okay, okay, okay. Now again open environment variable. Set a system variable. New variable name is Android. Android home. Clear this path. I have to keep it Android. Okay, Android home. Then click for a new one. Android SDK root. then okay. 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 For the last step, you have to type this command to your command prompt. Okay. uh, I will copy it, then just paste here, and you have to type it, or you may find it on my video description. Okay, it will take some process, then you will get. Okay, I will check yes, accept the. I'll click yes. Okay, sorry, why? Okay, it's done. Now I will type Flutter doctor. Okay, Flutter doctor will check my necessary step. Now I will click copy this Android license, then paste, then enter. Now it will take some process for my acceptance. I will always prefer Y for yes, 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 yes. I will accept all terms and condition. Then again Flutter affiliate, Flutter doctor. Let's see. I have no problem for my environment setup. So Visual Studio not listed. Already I have installed it. No problem. So now open VS Code. I will run the first app. For this, I will open a folder. Open any kind of folder or create any kind of folder. I'll select this folder. Now you have to take a new terminal. Flutter create first app. You may give any kind of your name. Flutter app name. I just give the first app. So enter. It will create a Flutter app under Flutter project. So our first app is created. Now we'll change it to the app. Okay, we are now first app folder. Now we'll run Flutter. Run this app will run. I have to choose on option. Windows, Chrome, or Edge. Which one will be preferable? I will choose on. So clicking on the Windows, it will not be appear because it's not available. I will again run Flutter run. I will choose two. This Flutter app is created. Okay. Now I'm successfully created my Flutter app.